It is a well-known fact that bacteria are omnipresent. Everywhere you go, they go to. When we are all gone, they will probably still be here. Everywhere you stop, they are waiting. They are part of everything you do, from string to latrine, from nose to mouth, from water bottle to leftover macaroni. Likewise, viruses inhabit every corner of the human body. They exist almost everywhere on Earth. Our bodies are full of viruses that come and go or that persist for years. Knowing fully well that bacteria and viral infection cause similar symptoms, such as weakness, fever, muscle pain, and others. Early distinction between those two types of infection is essential for appropriate treatment and prognosis. Now, what are the differences between bacteria and virus infection? Bacteria are living cells. They are an organism in their own right. They are single-celled organisms with the cell structure and a lot simpler than the average cell in the human body. Most notably, they have no nucleus, which is the brain of the cell, but instead, they contain a single loop of DNA and do not rely on anything else to live. While in the case of viruses, they are not technically alive, as they rely on their host for survival. Viruses are microscopic organisms which vary in complexity. They consist of genetic material, namely RNA or DNA, that is surrounded by a coat of protein, lipid, or glycoprotein. Additionally, bacteria are classified into subgroups in a variety of ways. They can be categorized based on shape into such groups as cocci, which is spheres, bacilli, spirilla, coma, and spirochetes. Bacteria are said to be gram-positive or gram-negative, while viruses vary considerably in size and shape. The three basic structural groups of virus are isometric, rod-shaped or elongated, and tape-like with head and tail. And the four main types of viruses are icosaedra, which is the outer shell and is made from 20 flat sides, which gives a spherical shape. Most viruses are icosaedra. We also have helica, in which the capsid is shaped like a rod. Envelope, which means that the capsid is encased in a baggy membrane and can change shape, but often appears spherical and complex as the genetic material coated but without a capsid. Bacteria are tiny, generally ranging in length from less than 1 micrometer to 10 micrometers, while the smallest virus are Icosendrium, that measures about 18 to 20 nanometers wide. Examples of bacterial infection include urinary tract infections, pneumonia, tuberculosis, food poisoning, and the example of viral infection as Zika virus, HIV, hepatitis C, COVID-19, and Ebola. Bacterial infection can be treated with the use of antibiotics by clearing the infection within 2 weeks, while antiviral drugs are specifically used for the treatment of viral infection.